tangan. Oh, paling keren.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates. But regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead.
Yes!
Well, once more, it's him. And we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible. Yeah, I call that transition with might. They win it back and a bit hard.
Lipat ya bang.
Al Nassar didn't expect this, that's for sure. What can they do now? Now it's Osimhen.
He cuts out the supply. Osimhen.
Rice. Now who's going to be first to this? Loose pass and they could be in. Oh, well played. And he's heaved it away. Rodri. Marquinhos. Rice. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get back up again. That was not gone well. Well, quality clearly deserted him at the crucial moment. That just required a bit more oomph to reach its target. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Hernandez.
Hajan puji Bruna.
Played through for the white man. That is excellent. Rodri. Has a look and has a go. Their attempt, just the wrong outcome. Well, even for him, that may have been a touch ambitious. Looking for the runner. Osimhen.
Final ball not quite right, and his teammates are irritated.
Threads one in. Oh, great! And the shot! That's what you call inspired goalkeeping. Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure. Well, height could make all the difference on these set pieces. Big chance! And that's straight down the keeper's throat. That is definitely not his best. It's run loose here. Rodri. Marquinhos. That's well seen too. Oh, what a mistake! He's kicked his way through. That's just playing it safe and simple. Now it's Osimhen. Great defending, strong and determined. Now it's Osimhen. Maldini can get it clear. Well, yet another interception and a show of anticipation to be commended. Spread out to the left. Mbappe, and he's managed to get free. Mbappe! Oh, fine stop from the keeper. That's where. And it's been taken short. He's had it!
Boleh.
It's their second corner of the game.
Di Rice. Sian pun.
They've played it short. He's had it taken off him. Al Nassar given another corner. Rice plays it short. Hilal can start a counter. Hilal can. Oh, they could be caught out here.
Now it's Politano. Osimhen.
And that has been cleared. Short.
Hernandez.
Decent hit. Now who's going to be first to this? And he's there to clear it. Hits one. Fence has got rid of that.
Just going to approach does pay off here. And that's a race for the ball. And the referee brings the first half to a close. Steady, solid, and for now, where they want to be. Just one goal, and they have it. Good effort from both sides, but at half-time, it is 1. That gets things going for the second half. Al Hilal carrying a one-goal lead. Rodri
For Rice.
No, for something different.
Remaining. He might have a tough call to make now.
Good stuff. This is better.
Neymar plays it in.
How cross missed everyone is an absolute mystery to me. It warranted a finishing touch.
Well, he got rid because
Jump
he
the
was
net.
Maldini. Nicely weighted ball. Now it's Saka. That's good defending. Very good defending.
Very good defending.
He's on.
Jump to net ne. You are?
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach.
Get your head down. Oh, that is
Oh,
asking
for trouble.
Tries a shot. He scored.
Net like
Looked like
Arun
something
na
was happening. It has.
That was easy.
Played easily.
Still inseparable. We have
The
penalties.
cloud net
Well,
the
both
cloud.
managers would have preferred not to go this far, but here we are. It's about nerve control now.
Nada selama. Ali.
This one to set the tone.
Diam.
And he puts them right. I thought he handled the pressure. Neymar is the next to run the gauntlet.
Saved! Keeper's done brilliantly!
Al Hilal are now able to take a giant step towards where they want to be. And it is two.
So down by two, another miss can be game, set and match.
Oh, denied remarkably.
The third man in the queue.
Jom.
You need a very strong mind in those situations. Nassar are looking to save match point.
Mbappe.
And stuck away with ice in his. Politano is weighed down with pressure on his shoulders. Broad shoulders they have to be. Oh,
yes.
The margin of error is 0.
That's won it! So in the end, they just about prevailed. All the emotional torture and travails worth it in the end.
There's really nothing quite like the excitement of penalty shootout, and the absolutely delighted to have ended their way.
3-1.